reputation, big reputation. Ooh, you and me, we got big reputations. And you heard about me. Ooh.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. Everything I use, I'm going to link it down in the description box. Sorry. I'm happy because my bangs blend in with my hair, kinda, sorta, but I mean like still like, okay, I haven't been posting a lot because like I never really get the chance to. I mean, like, I don't want to be like loud and then like my family hearing that like I'm filming or whatever, and plus like it will be like kind of awkward, I don't know, like because they don't really know that I have a YouTube channel except for my little brother. Like, I have a lot to talk about, but like nothing's like coming up in my mind. I don't know why. Okay, so like school is starting on Monday and I don't want to go back. I just want to stay home forever, and I'm so sad because like all my classes are literally changing and I was already comfortable with them, and now my classes have to change again. So I'm just like, are you serious? So now I'm gonna have to meet new people, and I'm just not like I just, sometimes I'm awkward and sometimes I'm not. Like it depends on like the people that I'm around. I don't know what look I'm going for. I have no freaking idea. What's been on my mind lately is like that I don't know if I should put my social media like out, because like right now I only have like a few subscribers. I think I'm just gonna wait until like more people subscribe to my channel so that I can like put my social media out there and stuff. And like right now I don't really know if I should. Like I don't really have a lot of people like commenting like, oh, what's your social media? So I don't really think I should put it out there unless like one of y'all like comment down below if asking for my social media. Then like obviously I'm gonna put it out eventually. Like when I grow a lot more, like I'm gonna put it out there. So right now I'm just like gonna wait until like some of y'all like ask like, oh hey, like what's your social media? Then I'll be like, okay, here's my Instagram, here's my Snapchat, go follow me. Okay, I think I just said like I'm going back to school on Monday, like this coming Monday. Right now it's a Saturday, and I'm kind of freaking out because like, okay, if you have like an hour and 30-minute class, then your class is gonna change for like it's gonna be different next semester. You're not gonna keep that hour and 30-minute class, and we only have one 45-minute class, and like that 45-minute class is my English class, and I honestly feel so stupid because like it's a pre-AP class and like everyone's smarter than me in it, and like, oh my god, like I literally felt everything I do. I have no idea why. Like I don't know if it's just like my brain cells, like my chromosomes, I don't even know. Like I just feel like so stupid at everything. And we had a book assignment for Thanksgiving, and like she assigns us like books, like different books, right? And I always read them all and I always do the assignments, but that Thanksgiving, and she always assigns us them, and then when we come back she doesn't give us like a quiz or like a test or anything to do. So like the Thanksgiving one, I was like, okay, you know what, like I'll do it, but like I'll do it like last minute, you know, I'll finish it anyways. I freaking did not. And when we went back to school, guess what? A quiz. A freaking quiz. And I was like, are you serious, bro? I ended up failing that, and I literally failed every assignment she gives us, and I honestly feel so stupid in that class. And like I feel like everyone knows, like and I get so like scared whenever like they're passing out papers, and I'm just like, please don't pass mine, please don't pass mine, because like everyone looks at your grade like whenever they're passing out your paper. So I'm just like so scared. Like I'm always scared, and like I'm always like, eh. But thank God it's like a 45-minute class. But I mean, I have it all year, so that sucks. So I'm gonna feel stupid for the rest of the whole entire year. And then before we went on Christmas break, she had talked to me and in front of the class, and like at that moment I don't really think like people would listen. And she was just talking about my grade and how I need to tell my mom, and I was like, okay, yeah. I mean, she was a cool teacher, like she's like a cool teacher, but like I'm just stupid and I don't do work or anything. So she was just telling me like my grade and like how I need to do better, and I was like, okay, yeah, like I'll do better. And then the inside I'm just like, damn, like my brain, I don't know like if I'm stupid or is it because I don't do my work. I mean, I do my work, but like it's not the best. Like, and the only like bright side like that I have like going to my school is that like I don't really have like beef or drama like with anyone. So like I don't really like feel like I feel like I shouldn't be scared like when I go to the school, because like I don't have beef with anyone. And like, I mean, that's good. I mean, yeah, that is good. Like, but literally a lot of people, like, oh my god, they're so fake. And there's probably people that are fake towards me right now. I don't even know. It can be my own friend. Damn it, it's backwards. Whatever. And my bald spot is still showing. Damn, that sucks. So at my school, I want to like, okay, sports, girl, let me tell you, that is not my thing, honey boo boo. Like, I mean, I like it and all, but like it's just not for me. Like, sports plus Anna equals fail. Like I mean, it's something that keeps you like I mean, I guess in shape, yeah, and like gets you to do something, but I mean, it's just not for me. Like, I'm not happy with it, and I'm not like not happy with it, if that makes sense. It's not something that I want to continue to do throughout like junior and senior year. I just want to try something different so that I can be like happy like during my high school years. Cause like I don't want to look back and be like, oh man, I wish I would have done this and that and blah blah blah. Like, I just want to like go for what I want to do, you know? You guys might not know me, but because like I haven't really talked about myself on this channel, I am a sophomore in high school. I don't even know if I look like a sophomore in high school. Some people say I do, some people say I don't. Honestly, I don't even know what eye look I'm like going for. I'm not in sports currently right now, but softball season is coming up, and I'm thinking of joining that, because I used to do it when I was smaller and I was like decent at it, kind of ish, yeah. So I'm thinking of just doing that, just to like do something, you know, because right now I'm off season. Like, I was in volleyball, which I sucked at. Okay, so I filmed like a couple of videos and I didn't upload just because like I wasn't really being myself, and like I didn't want to like post it. I deleted like a couple of videos of mine already, just because like I wasn't really feeling it, you know, like the way like I sounded like super quiet, and like I'm trying not to be like super quiet and shy in my videos now. I had filmed some videos also, oh shit, and I just wasn't really feeling it, so I just did like, I didn't post them at all. Like, I didn't even bother posting them because I was like, no, like I don't like who I'm being, like I'm not being myself, like I just need to like do other videos. So that's why I like kind of really wasn't like posting, I guess, because like I'm putting myself out there to like the internet, and like just knowing like people watch my videos, like I don't know, it just, I don't want to say my goals and then not accomplish them, because like I don't know, like I'm scared. But like I feel like if I do say them, then I'll be more motivated, and like I don't know if that makes sense, because like when you tell someone your goals, like you're gonna want them to see you like succeed. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and say my goals, because like I mean, why not? My first goal is gonna be like try to like post frequently, and then my second goal is gonna be to like like reach a certain amount of subscribers, and right now I hoping I'll be able to reach 200, at least 100 or 200 by the end of this year. Okay, my other goal is to get better at eyeshadow, and my last goal is gonna be to like not lose weight, but to like get back in shape, because freshman year, you know, I was grinding, you know, like I was in athletics. I mean, I still am, but like we barely even do anything. And like, you know, they were like, guys, like it's gonna be super hard in sophomore year, like you guys better like get your stuff together and, you know, like work hard for which one, blah blah blah. And then like they worked us out. Like last year I was looking like a stick. Okay, not a stick, but like I was skinny, and I did not even notice that, because like my whole life I've been like chubby. And when I started working out and stuff, like everyone would tell me like, girl, you're losing weight, what you doing? And I'm just like, what you talking about? But it was because like I was in athletics, volleyball. I was doing like workouts and stuff, because my coach would push us to the max. And then she moved to a different school, so she's not here anymore. And I'm just sad because like I worked my ass off, and then I started eating a bunch of junk food again. Oh shit, that's a lot. And then I just like, you know, got back to my old self. Now like in sophomore year, like since the coach moved, like she's not there to like give us like good workouts and stuff, and we have like a different coach, I guess, because like we move like different grade levels. Like when you're not, okay, volleyball is the first sport of like the whole entire school year for girls, and then it's basketball. So whenever you're in volleyball, after volleyball ends, you go and you're not in basketball, like you don't join basketball off season, you're considered off season. So off season works out, runs, and now that basketball is going on, like I'm not doing anything, I'm eating more, and we don't even work out in athletics. Like I mean we do, but all we do is weight room, and like weight room makes you gain muscle, and I don't want muscle. Like I mean I want muscle, but like not a lot. Like I don't want to be like ripped, and that's what they want you to do, because they want you, at my school they want you to do powerlifting. I'm just, let me tell you more about myself. Okay, I'm a sophomore in high school. I'm 15 years old. I live in Texas. I'm not gonna tell you what city, because you know I don't want to get kidnapped or anything. Lately I've been wanting to do a get ready with me, just to like talk and like be able to like clear my mind and talk about like school, like going back to school, why I don't want to go back to school. Okay, so lately on Netflix I've been watching a show called not a show, I mean a Netflix series. I don't even know if it's a Netflix series or like, I don't know. Okay, but anyways, I've been watching Jane the Virgin, and girl, let me tell you, it's so freaking good. Like it literally looks like I just got a piece of poop and just like rubbed it on my face. Guys, I'm sorry, like my makeup sucks today. Throughout the year I'm going to get better, and I know it, because I've been wanting to do like more eyeshadow looks, and especially for y'all, like I want to do like more eyeshadow looks, and I know I'm gonna get better at that, and like a bunch of different stuff, you know. Okay, so another thing about me, kind of ish, I guess, is that my birthday's in July, like, and I'm a summer baby, so I'm not like someone that like, okay, you know how like people at your school are like sometimes a year older than you. It depends like if you're a summer baby or not. I'm a summer baby, so like my whole class is like older than me, and I mean it kind of sucks, because like they get to like get their driver's license, permit, and like jobs before you, and it kind of sucks. So you're just there like, and I hate asking my mom for money, because like I want it, like I like to feel independent, and like I just want to like be able to like get my own stuff without having to ask my mom. Okay, so for today's look, I'm not gonna like even put like falsies because I'm not even going anywhere, and like they're kind of hard to put on, and I suck at putting falsies on, bro. I think I've already decided like what I want to be doing with this channel. I think I'm gonna do like makeup, for sure makeup, because like makeup is my life, and like a few different like lifestyle videos and stuff. In the future I for sure want to do like, okay, in the future I for sure want to do like vlogs, like not like every day, not like daily vlogging, but like. Alright guys, so that is it for this get ready with me. I honestly felt so much better after like filming this video, because like I've been wanting to clear my mind and get the things off my mind and like be able to talk to you guys. Please like, share, and comment down below. Comment if you guys want my social media, like if like more than like 3 people comment like something about saying like my social media, then I'll give out my social media. You know, why not? Bye guys.